I'm back at it, and I'm back here with a little special unboxing just for you. What's good? Today, I went out to my mailbox and I found a beautiful little package from the booze at Gabriella Plants. What's good? What's good? What's good? Now, I've been waiting for this baby in the mail for far too long. So without further ado, let's get into it. I got my trusty knife. Now, let's do it. I'm gonna give it a little, I gotta make sure not to show my address because I know I have a lot of people out there who wanna know what's good, but I can't let them have it. What's good? Ooh. So nice. Mira. Smile. I'm smiling. Okay, first and foremost, we got a little receipt up in here. So excited. All right, we got the unboxing guy telling us what's good. Selected and treated by Shane. Thank you, Shane. Packaged and shipped by Juliana. What's good, baby girl? I appreciate ya. Now, we got some stickers. Get into it. Gabriella Plants, what's good? And then we got a little coaster, what's good? Oh my gosh. Okay, packaged beautifully to begin with. Like, Gorgine, you know they take time packaging their products. So, oh. And we got a little sticker up in here. What's good? You know, I love me some stickers. Okay, so beautiful packaging. I cannot wait to open this. Let's get into it. I need to think of a better way to get it off. Wait, do I have a scissor? Voila, snip, snip. Don't trip. We got a scissor. And then I want to be very careful not to rip these leaves. What's good? Ooh, I've been waiting for this baby for a minute. Give it a little snip. All right, y'all, we about to do a reveal. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Right here, y'all, we got the Skindapsis Trubii. I mean, look at how gorgine these freaking leaves are. Gorgine, gorgine, gorgine. Wait, let me just double check I'm saying this right. Trubii, yeah. Skindapsis Trubii. Moonlight, gorgeous. Wait, let me move this. Move this cotton fluff out of the way so we can get the full fantasy of this baby girl. Okay, I'm actually gagged. Like, such a great size. A beautiful specimen. Oh my God, I am obsessed with these leaves. Look at this. Gorgine. Lover. Love, love, love. Obsessed. All right, thank you so much, Shane. Thank you so much, Juliana. Thank you, Gabriella Plants. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to let this baby acclimate to my home. And then we're gonna put her on a little pole because you know we want her to climb. What's good? But yes, so excited. Thank you guys again. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, ding ding, so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Now, until next time, I gotta go. I gotta put this baby in the window. Bye-bye.